Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how to use the function keys on your MacBook. This guide applies to any MacBook running Apple Silicon chips, from M1 all the way up to M5 on macOS. First, let's pull up the keyboard viewer. By default, macOS treats this top row from F1 to F12 as media keys. So when you tap them, they do exactly what the icons show: opening Mission Control, skipping tracks, or adjusting the volume. Now, if you want them to act like standard function keys, F1, F2, and so on, you normally have to hold down the Fn key first. For example, on Windows, you might hit F12 to open developer tools. But on a MacBook, you have to hold Fn and then press F12. To reverse this setting, let's open System Settings. Scroll down and find Keyboard. Next, click on the button that says Keyboard Shortcuts. Then select Function Keys. Now, simply toggle on the option that says Use F1, F2, etc. keys as standard function keys. Now your function keys behave just like they do on Windows. And of course, if you want to use them as media keys now, you just need to hold down the Fn key. Beyond just F1 through F12, you can combine these with modifier keys like Command, Option, or Shift for some extra actions. Let me show you a few common examples. First, you can press Command F3 to instantly show your desktop. You can press Option F1 or Option F2 to quickly open your display settings. Similarly, Option F11 or Option F12 will open your sound settings. And here is a very subtle trick. Normally, hitting F11 or F12 changes your volume in big steps. But if you want to adjust it in tiny increments, hold down Shift Option and then tap F11 or F12. Now the volume changes just a little bit at a time. So that is how you master the function keys on your MacBook and customize their settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.